Okay, what we have here is a Lance Larkin Brew Express built-in coffee maker built into the wall with a dedicated supply water line to it with no reservoir. So it's pretty hard to get cleaning solution in it. It's probably 5 or 6 years old and 2 or 3 pots a day, and it's never been cleaned. Now you'll notice it's a 10 cup coffee maker, but I got rid of the 10 cup carafe and put a 12 cup pot in there and then set the brew time up, so I get pretty close to 12 cups out of it. And this glass pot will work because of the metal band around the bottom. And then what I do is I take it off and I put it on a hot plate to keep it warm. So I gotta clean it out because the screen keeps flashing EEE, which means a flow problem or supply problem, and the filter feeding this down in the basement is brand new. So here's my solution for cleaning it. What I've done is I've tapped into the supply line and put a coupling in it. Then I took a Mighty Vac pump that I use for working on cars, and I made a couple homemade bolt fittings so I can run pressure into here, and I put a tube down into the bottom and force the solution into the coffee maker. Now, this is a ball canning jar, and I tested it out in the garage. It held 15 psi inside of a box. I was afraid of it blowing. You wouldn't want broken glass and vinegar in your face. But it held 15, no problem, psi. So, and I found that 11 or 12 is plenty for going through the coffee maker. I backed the pressure off because I've already ran half the solution through it. It's a half and half mixture of white vinegar and water. And I've got a filter in the strainer up there so I can see how much I get out of it. I already ran half of it through, and then I let it sit an hour, and I backed the pressure off to 5, and it's been holding. But I'm going to run 10, 11. So I'm going to pump the pressure up and run the rest of the solution back through it, and then we'll see what I got in the filter. And there's 11. I'm going to turn the coffee maker on. And I'm just going to maintain the pressure. It starts brewing. And you'll see it go down. Alright, it just started brewing. You see the pressure dropping off. Eleven psi seems to work pretty good. And I got about a third of the jar left. Then I guess I'll pump a couple pots of water through it to flush it too, but I want to see what's in the filter first. Yeah, I got my helper. He helps me do everything. And I think I'm empty. So I'm gonna shut this off. So the jar is empty. Right down to the bottom. I really don't want to pump air into it. So let's let the pressure off. And it's pretty much done dripping. And like I said, I'll run a couple pots of water through this after I hook the line back up and turn the water back on. I want to see what's in the filter. Absolutely nothing. So we'll see if this works or not, but that's the only way you can clean it.